Allergic to banana?
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So we are on another video. As I said, we're going to be going to another restaurant tonight, which is called the Palms or something like that. So that's the vibe, that's the pre. My mom already went over there because we have a 6 o'clock reservation. It's like probably like 6:30, but you know, you're ready to take a long time to get ready. My fault. Alright, so if you guys caught the other restaurant video, I did say like there's another restaurant where you have to take a shuttle to go over, which is the Palmyra. How far away is it?
5-minute drive.
About a 5-minute drive. So yeah, we're heading over there now. The shuttle comes like every 5 minutes or so, so you ain't gotta worry about that. Goody come right out.
Oh, cut.
So we just left the bus just now and we are here. Yeah, over here it was probably like 300 meters, 400 meters away from the hotel, and I kind of like that vibe. Wow, here it's cool. Hi. Ooh. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
So, mommy, you couldn't wait to start eating for us. Thank you very much, Mia. Appreciate it. Yo, let me say, this feels like fine dining compared to the Italian one. Like, yeah, it's better because it's like outdoorsy.
Yeah, I like that.
Look at the beautiful backdrop, guys. Like, there's a setting, skyline or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and the crickets and everything. This is great. I like it here so far. How's the bread?
Yes.
Let's test the bread out.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Oh god, look at those buns. Fat. It's nice.
King?
When did you had it?
I had it.
If you guys saw that, my sister is having the, what you call it? The bread, the rolls with the coconut butter.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk kind of butter. It's really
Excuse
good.
me, what's this? Is it coconut?
Yes, it consists of coconut milk, herbs, and spice.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's a sauce. It's really a sauce.
Yes, for the bread. Yeah.
It's really nice. Video.
I don't like pictures.
Look how my cousin look nice and she go on with the watch out. What make you afraid that you got camera?
The camera, just not at the front.
Really?
Yeah. That's a nice. Yeah.
What a party pooper. Sister looking good.
I like money with a nice here.
I hear?
Just so retro, like
Yeah.
so 90s vibe.
Fact.
Yeah, big. I had the jugs.
Okay, so them have festival here.
Please tell me, sir.
That's kind of cool. I've never been somewhere that has festival with bread as well. That's kind of cool.
Everyone was fancy.
beef. So you can legit just write beef, lamb, and know what it is.
That's not a good waiter. You must describe the taste and the texture.
Right, that's about like, maybe say, okay, that is a more popular dish, so maybe it's a bit better. What do good night? No, you have been fucking up.
Sorry, but I already smell it. I'm gonna say it's gonna taste nice.
Alright, thank you very much, sir. So my mom says that they seem to do very good with soup, so the soup that I had so far has been good, yeah. So let's try this one. Oh, it's very rich. It's really rich. Yeah. Oh gosh.
No, I mean like them hit the mark with them seafood.
Yeah man, it's like they make the trip to like all the beard water. Very good. Oh. Carrot.
That is so nice.
Oh, is that how the lamb came?
What is that? The pork chop something?
Leg, I was getting the whole leg.
Yeah, I thought I was getting the whole leg, but you know, I'm not even.
See mint there? The mint. Mommy I thought about.
Oh yeah, the jelly, mint jelly.
So like 3 of us got lamb. I got it specifically because I had steak last night, so I don't want to be like redundant. But yeah. Got some lamb. Mint jelly is always served with lamb. It sounds crazy, but it's very befitting. And mash. So that's dinner. I'll eat it and I'll tell you guys what I think.
Them hotel, I'm going to tell you, man, I'm going to give them proper. Make up the menu.
Yeah. That makes sense. Like the head chef of like the Hilton hotel, yeah. Comment to
Alright, so to talk quickly about that lamb. So far this restaurant for me is a straight 10 out of 10, like there's no issues whatsoever. But anyway, I'm going to have this cheesecake. It's a double cheesecake, strawberry with coffee with vanilla ice cream, and I'll tell you guys if this makes them lose marks or if they just keep adding to them.
my favorite cheesecake is called a white chocolate and raspberry swirl cheesecake.
Excuse me. What is the crust made out of?
Cherry crust.
The cheesecake.
Is it based on chocolate?
Is there banana in there?
Yes, banana inside. Allergic to banana?
He was like, oh no. But he was like, I'm done for. I just lost my mainstream income.
Alright, you're drunk, eh?
Poor man, you know, scared him. And Nick said, many people got that.
Oh my god. Wow.
I best I've ever had in a long time.
Yo, I legit sprung to the later while ago, so pretty much right. So pretty much my sister is back here like serenading everybody because the guy's playing the piano and she's singing. But I can't pop that in the video because of copyright, you know, they're gonna be like hearing the melodies or whatever. So if you're on my Instagram, you got a chance to see snippets. probably the most genuine fun I've had at the hotel in quite a while. Okay, so just to give you a quick synopsis of what happened, we pretty much went around the pianist for maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours, just singing and just listening to him play. Super talented. It was like he was telling a story through music. It was awesome. And then coming on the bus just now, as you guys could have seen, you know, the bus driver was turning off the lights and making it all scary and stuff, and then he started playing this really cool song, as you guys could have kind of heard. And we were singing to the song, and he just drove around the whole, what you call it, he drove around the runabout so that we could continue listening to the song while he drove. That's just awesome. But anyway, we might head to the disco tonight, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys for always supporting and just watching, and yeah, catch you guys in the next vlog. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link.